This topic is word problems with multiplication of a decimal and a whole number. The first one says Frank bought 8 boxes of chocolates. Each box cost $8.58. How much did he spend? When you are multiplying with decimals, put the number that has the most digits on the top of your multiplication problem, so $8.58, and then line everything else up totally on the right. Don't worry about place value at all, because what we're going to do is we're going to count the number of digits that are behind a decimal point in the problem. And if this one had a decimal point, we count those as well. Its decimal point is after it, so it has nothing after it other than zeros. And then we're going to end up putting those same amount of decimal points behind, or same amount of digits behind a decimal point in the solution. Let me show you what I mean. So go ahead and do your multiplication. Ignore the decimal point. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 6 is 46, carry the 4. And then 8 times 8 is 64 again, plus a 4 is 68. So now we're going to go to the end of our problem here, and we're going to count back 1, 2 digits, 1, 2 digits, and we'll put our decimal point right here. And our unit is dollars. If you want to see why we do this method when multiplying decimals, I do also have a video that explains the traditional algorithm for multiplying decimals. This example says for the last 4 days, Yoko worked 6.8 hours each day. How many hours did she work in all? 6.8 has more digits. We're going to line up the 4 on the right-hand side. We're going to ignore the decimal point for now. 8 times 4 is 32. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Now we're going to count 1 digit back because there was only 1 digit behind the decimal in the problem. So we have 27.2, and our unit is hours. One more problem. A box of chocolates cost $9.44. Shen bought 6 boxes. How much did he spend? $9.44 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. And 54 plus 2 is 56. We have 2 digits behind the decimal in our problem, so 1, 2 need to be behind it in our solution. And our unit is dollars.